Thong là brown á.
This is across the street from the house. That's Alex. That's Alex's house. Used to be anyway. Caught on fire. That's a foundation. So they put new pole. They digging a hole, put new pole, and cutting the tree down. That's what caused all that pole to come down. Too many trees, you don't have shit. I think that's all what's left. It's the major thing though. Oh, the other one just go tow the other one out. That's how bad it was.
They towed his car?
No, the big one just went in there and towed the other one. He couldn't get out.
Oh my god. What are they doing, man?
Just like I had to tow the Sequoia out. Rồi năm mà không ta xây thì thơ về đủ. Đây. This truck and everything, man.
Mà sao mấy bên là hàng block hàng là ngày nay mặc hàng gì nữa, tại là rồi bật chết à?
Yeah, can't get out of the house either way.
Beep. Beep. Beep.
Can't go anyway. Got a block up front.
Thế nào rồi block? Bên này lại cho phùm nè, cho tè bình nè. Tè nào rồi. Đã ổn, mới năm biết năm là không bị bắt chân rồi.
Look at it. So there's a hole.
Napkin.
Put a new post right there.
Là không đâu, tại do là không được.
Okay.
Too. I like left orange guy.
Oh, he's gonna look over here now. You feel me, motherfucker?
Just close the blinds.
I think it'll be fine. If anything, well, that guy's got some sick dance moves.
So that's the only backup.
Oh God, there's a red hard hat guy now.
Oh. Better not looking over here, because
Oh my
you need to do your job.
Red and yellow make orange.
That makes so much sense.
Not really.
What?